Let's learn about the lead action. Adding a lead action to a digital business card is like adding a digital assistant. It allows you to capture lead information, to choose what information you want to capture, to receive open alerts, to integrate with your CRM, and even to share your digital card when offline. Here's a quick demo. I meet a prospect, open my digital card, and tap the share button to open a lead form. Then I add the lead name and email address, assuming that's all the prospect provides. Next, I add data points needed by my CRM to place the lead in the right sales automation channel. Customer type and buyer readiness in this example, but you can customize the tool to your business needs. Now I choose how I will share my card. Options include text message, social, and QR code, though I choose email here because that's what the customer provided. I then tap Share to launch an email pre-populated with subject message and a URL that is unique to this prospect and which will allow me to track ongoing engagement. Critically, if there is no internet, the lead will automatically be saved for completion when online again. I can also choose to intentionally delay sharing by tapping Share Later, or I can use the Add to Database option to add the lead to my CRM without a corresponding prospect interaction. When I share my card, copies of the lead are sent to me, a database, and to my CRM. Here's an example email with a date stamp and the lead information collected. Notice that it includes the precise location of where I created a lead. Another popular use of a lead action is to generate referrals. A user taps the referral button and gets a lead form configured to send a referral while collecting their information along with that of the recipient. Meanwhile, you will receive a real-time notification of all this information. Now let's build a lead action. To begin, use the action selector to add a new lead action. The default lead form includes fields for name, email, phone, and notes, but you can configure it as needed, included as an action to generate referrals. Let me cancel this and look at an existing lead action on our demo card. I will edit this group of buttons and then the first lead action. It uses the same elements as the form builder, meaning you can add, delete, and rearrange fields to fit your business needs. For example, I can reorder the email and phone fields or delete one of them. I can add an option to the selector field. I'll add a 1-year option. And I can add new elements with options ranging from text, input fields, an image upload, a rating, geolocation, or a hidden tag needed by a CRM. Moving on from the form, you can set the default email subject and the message that will appear in an email, text, or social share. Next, you can choose whether to receive a copy of the lead via email and whether to add a tracking code that will uniquely identify each lead. A tracking code will also allow you to receive open alerts when the prospect views your card. You can add optional buttons to share the card later, potentially when an engagement is more likely, or to send the lead to your database or CRM without sharing it to the prospect. As with most actions, the call to action can be a button, an image, or a text, an icon. I'll share a valuable tip, which is to set the audience control to make the action visible only in an installed app. This option will make the lead button visible to you, but not to most card recipients. Moving back to the top, we see where to enter the email address that will receive the lead copies. When you set it to pull from the Data tab, you can use the same lead form for an entire team or company, but where each employee gets their own leads. And you can add other integrations from the Form Integrations button. That's it for a quick overview of the lead action, a powerful and flexible tool for digital business cards.